So as part of the City deal, we're expected to help support the creation of 25,000 new jobs in the City region. We're expected to help attract £4 billion worth of private sector investment and support an increase of 5% in the gross value added of our City region. They're pretty challenging targets, so to deliver those we need to use the money we have available strategically, and we need to back the right projects. Of the £1.2 billion we have to spend, just over £700 million of that will be spent on the South Wales Metro, which provides increased and improved transport networks between our cities and our towns. And the remaining £500 million is then directly controlled by the 10 local authorities that make up the City deal, City region. And we will be using that over the next months and years, investing in the right projects to deliver that economic prosperity we all want to see in our City region. So to support us in our decision making about which projects to back, we've established a regional economic growth partnership that's made up of representatives from industry, from education and other sectors to advise on each project that comes forward. We've also got a business council with representatives from specifically from business to also advise on the projects that emerge that we will wish to take forward. We're in the process now of finalising our initial business plan, and that includes several in principle commitments, particularly around transport, around digital connectivity and around skills, all of which will kickstart the City Deal project and I think give an initial impetus to our plan to drive the economic growth of the City region. The City Deal will only work if it benefits not only Cardiff but also the wider region. The City's only succeeded when the surrounding area succeeds, and that goes all the way back to the coal industry and beyond. So very clear, we need to leverage the money that we now have available to deliver growth in Cardiff, but also to deliver substantial growth in the valleys, in Newport, in the Vale of Glamorgan and Bridgend also, making sure that the whole City region benefits from the City deal.